So now we have a 3/4 mile radius. Let's zoom out a little bit. So that's only one shape. We can actually go and draw multiple shapes on the screen, and our search will apply to anything within those shapes. So now we've got a total of 42 properties combined in each of these three shapes. At the very top of the search window on the left, you can see it's added those three shapes in there. Since we didn't name them, they just have their standard circle or rectangle or polygon name. But when I hover over one, we can see which shape it is. So let's go to that first rectangle here on the west side. I want to remove it, so there's a little X to remove that shape. And same with that one. And now we're left with just the radius. The other shape that we can use is a polygon. Let's go ahead over into the heights here. And let's define a polygon shape really from the freeway up to, it looks like, Ventura, between Academy and San Antonio. You can kind of see where we're going to draw right now. So at the bottom of the map, I click on the polygon tool, which is the last shape, click my starting point, and just proceed to click and drag and define my range. Double click to close the shape, and now our search now is contained with these 44 properties in here. So at this point, we've kind of reviewed three different ways to draw shapes on the screen. If I like this search and I want to continue to maybe use this for a potential buyer or for a hot sheet, I'm just going to click Save at the top and do Save Search. And hit Save. You can see now, let's say, pretend it's the next day and we want to run that search again. We're just going to go to Search, Save Searches, find the one we just created, and click Edit. And there's our search again. And those search results will change daily depending on the properties that are available in that search at that time. So we have 44 today, but a month from now there could be 30 or 50 depending on what's on the market at that given time. One additional thing that we can do is to click on that shape and click Edit. And you'll see in the polygon here, we actually have the ability to change that shape. Before we looked at a radius, which only had one yellow dot to change the size. But since it's this polygon, we're actually we can really bend and stretch this shape however we want to do it. Let's say if we want to stretch it up here up to San Francisco, then we can certainly do that. And it looks like in doing that we've gained one more property here, which looks like it's a closed property. And that's going to conclude this basic tutorial on using map shapes, incorporating them into your search. And thank you for watching.